In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the block limit on Notion to avoid paying for an upgrade. If you're using Notion on the free plan, you might have come across that pesky 1,000 block limit. This can be a bit of a hurdle, especially if you're using Notion frequently or collaborating with others. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to lift this limit without needing to shell out for an upgrade. First, let's understand why this block limit occurs. When you invite other members into your workspace, the free plan enforces a block limit of 1,000. This can also happen if you choose the 4 Teams option during your account setup. This might automatically create a team space for you, again imposing that block limit since Notion expects more extensive use in team spaces. The simplest way to address this is by removing any additional members from your workspace. You might be hesitant if you're used to collaborating with others, but don't worry. There's a workaround that involves inviting people in a different capacity later on. To start, head over to Notion and click on the Settings menu. Here you'll find options for people or team spaces. This is your control hub, where you can see and manage who has access to your workspace. Instead of adding collaborators as full members, you can invite them as guests to specific pages. This way, they can still contribute where necessary without affecting your block count. If you've mistakenly created a team space, you can archive it. By archiving the team space, you lift the block limit for your individual workspace. It's a handy trick that lets you maintain the core functionalities of the workspace without unnecessary limitations. Now, ensure your workspace is limited to only one member. Remove any other collaborators or delete any team spaces they might be part of. Remember, the key is to keep your setup streamlined to prevent that automatic block restriction. It's important to note that inviting collaborators as guests is a great way to work with others without turning them into full members, thereby enforcing the block limit again. Guests have limited access, but they can still get the job done on the pages they're invited to. It's a mutually beneficial setup that ensures you don't exceed your block count while still managing projects efficiently. By following these steps carefully, you'll find that you can continue using Notion effectively without the constraints of the block limit or the need to upgrade. Keep being productive and enjoy all the features Notion has to offer without any unnecessary costs. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy Notion tips.